Hello everyone and welcome to the Lenovo booth at the Fiera in Barcelona for ISE 2022. My name is Sean Langley, I'm a Smart Collaboration Technologist at Lenovo UK. Today I would like to show you our core full room kit solution installed in a typical meeting room environment. I'm going to talk through the components, how it fits together and how it can enable you to have smarter, better meetings using Lenovo ThinkSmart products. Walk this way. So as we walk into this room, this is a 10-person typical meeting room setup. We have a core full room kit, as I mentioned, installed in here with an 86-inch ThinkVision large format interactive display. If I talk through some of the components of this kit, as you can see on the table, the main interface for where room users will come in and start a meeting. This is called our ThinkSmart Core Controller. It's running in Teams kiosk mode, so as soon as you come in, all you're going to see is the Teams interface. If you've pre-booked the meeting on there, you will see the meeting already exists. You simply press one button to join the meeting and you're good to go and you can start collaborating with your colleagues across the room. There we go. That's me on screen now. Across the table, I'm just going to talk through the components individually. We have table microphones. They have status LEDs, red for mute and green when it's in a call. It will show the microphone is active and enabled. We have the ThinkSmart bar at the front, which has got a built-in microphone array, speakers, amplifier, and its own DSP. So it accommodates echo cancellation and noise cancellation to ensure that the audio quality and pickup is superior for your Teams meetings. Just above that, we have our small but powerful and packed full of AI features, the ThinkSmart Cam. That will allow people tracking, automatic zooming, people framing, and device people counting analytics that can be taken from the meeting room so administrators can get data back on how heavily or underutilized rooms might be, all from the power of our ThinkSmart Cam. As I mentioned, this is the core full room kit. So it includes the two table microphones, the cam, the bar, and then we have the core compute, which is the really powerful brains of the whole system, which can be hidden away pretty much anywhere where you want in a typical meeting room scenario. As you can see, we have it installed underneath the table within the room, but other places which are quite typical to install it might be behind the display. It could go into an existing AV rack of equipment, or it could be located somewhere in a server room in the building and just extended, the displays, HDMI feeds, USB and stuff like that can be extended into the meeting room. The best thing about the core compute is an 11th gen Intel i5 processor, so lots of power under the hood. It supports RSX graphics, dual HDMI outputs, a USB-C Thunderbolt Type 4 port, multiple USB ports, so you can connect all sorts of Teams certified peripherals to the core system and basically scale it up as high as you want. I like to call it as infinitely scalable with this. So we call it a modular solution. It's flexible for all sorts of room sizes, spaces, from anywhere from a 4-person meeting room. It could go into an auditorium, a lecture theatre. Like I said, you just scale up the peripherals around it, but keeping it all Team certified within that ecosystem. Let's move on to other parts of the booth where I can show you some more of our ThinkSmart collaboration devices. So if you follow me this way, I'm going to give you a quick tour of the booth. And let's move on. Sorry, I beg your pardon?
So where can they learn more information?
You can learn more information at lenovo.com/smart collaboration. Also, if you do come and visit us on the booth, we have QR codes to scan so you can get instant links and access to all of our products to find out and learn more. Or alternatively, please come and speak to me and I can tell you all about it.